Hi children, welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to see how to solve the statement problem in equation. It is 8th standard mathematics, Karnataka and NCERT syllabus. We are going to see one question. Okay, it is exercise 3.2. The question is, the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their age will be 56 years. What is the present age? Okay. So, two boys, the ages are given. That is 5:7. This is ratio means it is not equal to Rahul age is 5, Harun age is 7. This is meaning is one number, one common number multiplied these two. Okay. So, first you are taking let the common number multiply by ratio is x. Okay, you are taking like that. So what is meaning is Rahul is the age is equal to 5x is to 7x, like the meaning. Okay, next after 4 years, that means now you are 7 years. After 4 years means what you have to do? 7 plus 4 is 11. The same way now you are 5x. After 4 years means after 4 years. After 4 years means 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. That's all. Okay. Now this is the now after 4 years. The question is after 4 years sum of these two ages is equal to 56. Sum means addition. Add this two. 5x plus 4 add 7x plus 4 equal to 56. Simplify this. 5x plus 7x, 12x, 4 plus 4 is 8, that is equal to 56. So 12x is equal to 56 plus 8 come this side, minus 8. 12x is equal to 56 minus 8 is how much? That is 48. So x is equal to 48 by 12. The answer will be 4. X is 4. Now the question is percentage. What is Rahul percentage? 5x. So percentage of Rahul is 5x. X value is what? 4. So 5 into 4 equal to 20 years. The same way Harun also 7x. So 7 into 4. So equal to 28 years. Like that you want to do. Now the ratio means don't take like that. Rahul is 5. Then Harun is 7. Not like that. If it is the ratio in between one common number multiplied is that. Okay. So 5. The common number you are taking as a x. 5x is 7x is the percentage. After 4 years means adding 4. Then they given the condition sum of these is 56 and you have to simplify. You can get the answer. Next question, a rational number is such that when you multiplied it by 5 by 2 and add 2 by 3 to the product, you get minus 7 by 12. What is the number? Rational number means we are clearly knowing it is in the format of P by Q. So, let the rational number be x by y. So P by Q, numerator divided by denominator. Okay, let us assume or let us take, it is your wish, let us take rational number be x by y. Okay, so now in this rational number you multiplied 5 by 2. So rational number multiplied 5 by 2. In this result you add 2 by 3, you get minus 7 by 12. This is the given. In the rational number you multiplied 5 by 2. In this result you add 2 by 3. You get minus 7 by 12. Means what is the rational number? Now you are going to simplify this. That's all. So keep like this. X by y into 5 by 2. Next step minus 7 by 12 plus 2 by 3 come this side as minus 2 by 3. Now it is a unlike fraction. So find the LCM. LCM of 12 comma 3 is 12 only. So minus 7 minus of 3 convert as 12 means multiplied by 4. What are the changes you did in the numerator? Same thing you have to follow the denominator and numerator also. So 3 4s are 12 already is there. Minus 2 4s are 8. So x by y into 5 by 12, that is equal to minus 15 by 12. Next I need only the x by y, that is equal to minus 15 by 12. Here 5 by 2 is of multiplication. So this side it comes the division. So division, here it comes as a multiplied reciprocal, that's all. How it comes means divided by 5 by 2, fraction divide fraction mean it goes there multiplied. Okay, multiplication that reciprocal. So minus 15 by 12 into 2 by 5. Okay, now 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, 1 5 is 5, 3 5s are 15, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So the answer will be minus is there, don't forget, minus 1 by 2. So the rational number is minus 1 by 2. Okay, so rational number you can take P also, no problem. Let the rational number to be. So rational number in the format of minus 1 by 2. Okay, is it clear? First this is the given, you try to simplify, you got the answer. Next question, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denomination rupees 100, rupees 50, rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the numbers of the notes is 2:3:5. The total cash of Lakshmi is 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination such have? That means Lakshmi's have 100 rupees, 50 rupees, 10 rupees. Totally it is amount is of 4 lakhs. So how many 100, how many 50, how many 10s you want to tell me? They given as a ratio 2:3:5. The same thought I already telling you, 2:3:5 means directly you can't take. One common multiple is there, that common multiple you take as a x. Let the common multiple take as x. Okay, so the ratio is 2x is to 3x is to 5x. Okay, so the given the order like 100 rupee, 50 rupee, 10 rupee, the same way. This is the 100 rupee, 50 rupee is a 10 rupee like that. Okay, so now number of 100 rupees means 100 into 2x. Number of 50 rupee, 50 into 3x. Number of 10 rupee, 10 into 5x. So number of rupees 100 notes. Okay, 100 rupee notes, how many is there? 100 into 2x, that is equal to 200x. The same way number of notes in 50. How much? 3 into 50. So 150x. Next number of rotics 10 means 5 into 10 50x. So adding all you got the 40 lakhs. Sorry. Okay. Adding all you have to get the 4 lakhs. So adding all. 200x plus 150x plus 50x, it is equal to rupees 4 lakh. Now add 200 plus 150 is 350, 350 is 40. 400x is equal to 4 lakh. We need x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 4. Okay, so 1 4 is 4. 400, this 20, this 20 is cancelled, 1 4 is 4. So x is equal to 1000. The common multiple is 1000. Okay, so now number of 100 rupee note is how much? 2x, 2 into 1000, 2000. So 3 into 1000, 3000, 5 into 1000, 5000. That's all. Okay, that is the number of 100 rupee note is 2000. Number of 50 is 3000. Number of 10 rupees is 5000. If you want, you can calculate. Okay. So 100 is 2000 means you just want to multiply. How much is there? Then finally, if you got the answer is a 4 lakh or not, you have to check out. That's all. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? So this is taking, then this is the rupees. So number of rupees means this 100 rupee into 2x. Okay, so number of rupees, how much it comes? That is only is a number of rupees. Finally, you got the answer. Next 16th question. The organizer of an essay competition decide that the winner in the competition get the prize of rupees 100. Okay, and a participant who does not win the gets prize of 25. Okay, if you participate, if you get the prize win 100 rupee, does not win the prize means 25. Total money means total pricing distributing money is 3000. Total participants is 63. You have to find the number of winners. Okay. First, what you have to do means, first let x be the winner. Okay, winner. So, which is the winner we have to find out. Does not win. So, does not win how many? Total participant is 63. Total participants is 63. So, in this 63, total participants is 63. In this 63 only, we have to subtract this x. Okay, this x whatever may be, but it is the winner. Okay, in total participant, you subtract the winner. When you have to get does not win how much? So, 63 minus x. 63 minus x is does not win. Okay, so we are getting, so winner how much they are getting? 100 rupees. So how many rupees? 100 into x. So rupees means winner get 100. How many winners? X winners. Okay, then plus runners, that means does not win how much? 63 minus x. This is how much? Guess 25 rupees. All together is how much? 3000. All together is 3000. Now you are going to simplify. You can get the answer. 100 into x is 100x plus 63 into 25. 63 into 25 how much? So that is 1575 minus 25 into x minus 25x, that is equal to this 3000 rupees. So now 100x minus 25x is 75x, that is equal to 3000 plus come this side minus 1075. So 75x is equal to 3000 minus 1575 is 1425. So we need only x. 1425 divided by 75. If you simplify this, you can get the answer. Okay. So you using 5 table, if you simplify means 15 5s are 75. This one 2 5s are 10, 8 5s are 5 5s are. Again 5 table, 5 5s are 25, remaining 3 7. Again 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3, 9 3s are. So 19. If you know directly 75 also, you can cancel, no problem. So x is 19. That means winner is 19. So runner how much? 63 minus 19 is the runner. Okay. So question is you should want to find out only the winners. Find the number of winners. So number of winner is 19 members. Out of 63, 19 members are winner. They got 100 rupees. Remaining they got 25. So totally it becomes 3000. Okay children. Thank you.